Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to create multiple YouTube channels under one account. Right, if you find this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. Now, as you can see here, this specific email right here got these accounts. Okay. So if you want to do the same, if you want to create one or more accounts, well, just follow along. So first up, you need to go ahead and log into youtube.com or go ahead over to YouTube Studio. It's up to you. Just basically tap on your profile and then go ahead over to settings. Like so. Now you'll be able to see under your YouTube channel, add or manage your channels. Okay. So you can just go ahead and tap on it. And then here you have the create a channel option. So click on it. Give it a name, give it a handle. Just basically follow the basic prompts. All right, I'm not going to go ahead and create another channel right here. So as you can see, I have a ton of channels connected to this account. But just basically follow the simple prompts. Click on create channel. And after that, just check the box confirming you understand you are creating a new Google account with its own settings. Okay, there will be a terms of service, check boxes, check. And then just click on next. Once that's done, all channels share the exact same email login and password, just like what you've seen earlier. And to go log into that specific channel, all you got to do is just log into one account that is tied to one channel right here. So for example, I can log in to this email and then select from one of the channels. You'll be able to see the new channel right here. And that's basically it. That is how you create multiple YouTube channels under one account. I hope this video helps. I'll see you in the next one.